That's it. Losers wear a dress.
Ooh! We didn't agree on nothing.
Oh, come on, handsome. Do it for me. Besides, I just love a man in a dress. It's wicked sexy.
Oh, really?
No, JK. Idiot. Hey, good luck, cutie.
Thank you.
Do you really think that's a win? Who cares? No way, we get to see two morons get to wear a dress.
Okay, so what do I do?
Are you joking? All right. Throw the balls into their cups. When it goes in, they drink. If it goes into our cups, we drink. A bounce is worth 2. If we both hit a cup, we get the balls back. When all the cups are gone, you win. If the ball goes in the same cup twice, it's an instant death cup, and the game is automatically over. Got it?
Got it. Let's do that death cup.
Let's do it.
All right.